Next knife is also very unique fold. Check this out. It has a button and it's gonna go in and out, and it is much bigger knife. So probably a lot better knife. Let's start to open it. Okay, this is also much better packaging over here for sure. Okay, that's good. Oh yeah, pretty good clip. Let's take this out. You see the folding mechanism. How do we unfold it? Oh, nice. Check this out. There's a finger to where you close it, move your finger away, and it's a one-handed fold. But to unfold, you see, all we have to do is just push it forward, from what I understand. I love that there is a little dent over here, or like bump, I'd say, to where I can hold it to that and push the knife forward. That actually helps a lot. Wow, such a simple thing, but it actually very smart. And again, to fold it, close it like that. Whoops, obviously don't drop it. A little bit of practice helps. Doesn't open it super fast. Also, this pin side here, I guess so that way it's easier to open it. A bit wiggly, but that's okay. Look at this blade. Beautiful big blade over here. Very satisfying knife. I like that a lot. I feel like you kind of gotta turn it I feel like you kind of gotta push it in and out this way. You can just push it up. Yep, just like that. You see how it opens up slowly, and you see how it sets it by itself. Boom. Check this out. You see how whenever we close it, it's gonna go back inside there. Okay, a couple more views so that way you see what's happening. Beautiful. And I love this thumb rest over here. All the edges gonna be very comfortable working in a camp. Okay, one-handed knife for sure. I'm gonna try to open it quickly. Get stuck after the first phase, up and down like that. So not super fast, but still super nice. I feel like I'm getting tired, so there's a little bit of a resistance to it for sure. So if you're gonna open it back and forth a lot, you're going to get tired and actually digress, but after a while, once you feel that mechanism, it will be like a second nature. It'll be really fast. But guess what? My thumb is really tired now. It hurts. But yeah, obviously you won't be opening and closing it that often once you carry it every day. Beautiful. Never seen a folding knife like that. That is one of a kind. So it is thumbs up for me.